Variable. A variable is a piece of storage containing data temporarily to work with it. The most general form to declare a variable in Golang uses the var keyword, an explicit type, and an assignment. Var name type equals expression. Golang variables naming convention. These are the following rules for naming a Golang variable. A name must begin with a letter and can have any number of additional letters and numbers. A variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name cannot contain spaces. If the name of a variable begins with a lowercase letter, it can only be accessed within the current package. This is considered as unexported variables. Golang variables naming conventions. If the name of a variable begins with a capital letter, it can be accessed from packages outside the current package. This is considered as exported variables. If a name consists of multiple words, each word after the first should be capitalized like this: emp name, emp address, etc. Variable names are case-sensitive. Car, and car are three different variables. Let's start by creating a variable. Variables can be declared using the var keyword, followed by the variable name and its data type. For example, let's create a variable name with the value lemoncode21 and then print it. Next, we override the name variable with the value YouTube and then print it. After making this change, you can run the code, and when you check the results in the terminal, you will see the updated output. Next, you can declare a variable without specifying its data type by directly assigning a value to it. For instance, let's create a variable called mypc and then change its value to my old PC. The third method allows you to declare a variable without using the var keyword by using the shorthand equals and assigning the value directly. To change its value, you simply use the equals operator. To do variable overhead, simply use the equal sign. Lastly, you can declare multiple variables using var keyword and parentheses. For example, I have variables named first name and last name. Let's go ahead and run it, and the result should be successful. Exercises. Number 1. Declare a variable called age and assign your age to it. Print the value of the variable. Number 2. Declare two variables, name and country, and assign your name and country to them, respectively. Print both variables on the same line. Number 3. Use the short declaration syntax to declare and initialize a variable called temperature with the value 25. Print the value. Sure, let's answer the first question. We create a variable named age with the data type int, and then we print its value. Next, for the second question, we create multiple variables such as name and country. We set name to John and country to USA. After that, we print the values. For the third question, we answer by creating a variable named temperature with the value of 25. Here, we use the shorthand notation without the var keyword but with a colon and an equal sign. Then, we print the temperature. Let's run it to see the results.